Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohan and I'm the ICT captain. Welcome back to another LPS Assembly. Today, we join you from Prep C. We hope that you have had a fantastic first few weeks back at school and enjoyed seeing your friends and teachers again. I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connections towards land, waters, and culture. We pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. Here's Anmol.
Hello, my name is Anmol and I am the ICT captain. Good morning, everyone. Now it is time for the national anthem. Please remove your hands.
That's all.
You said it. Please remove your hands.
Hello, my name is Anmol and I am the ICT captain. Good morning, everyone. Now it is time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a nice, strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Yashik. Hello, my name is Yashik and I am the sport captain. Good morning, everyone. Here are this week's Corman Award winners for those students who have been displaying our Lindis Primary School values.
Hi everyone, here are the Common Awards for this week. So we'll start with Prep. In Prep A we've got Sukhman, and in Prep C we've got Kushi, Prep D we've got Tarina, Prep E we've got Hunter, Prep F is Lockie, Prep G Jabji, and Prep H Ryan. Moving on to grade 1, we've got Kobe in 1A, Brody in 1B, Saraf in 1C, and Lexi in 1D. In grade 2, we've got 2 in 2A, 2 students in 2A, Noor and Harmony, Adi in 2B, Eddie in 2C, Josh in 2D, Lachlan in 2E, Subhan and Masa in 2F. And in grade 3, we've got Loretta in 3B, Aditi in 3D, and Irene in 3E. Grade 4, we've got Morellas in 4D, Sophia in 4E. Our grade 5 students are Adam and Reza in 5A, Nicholas in 5B, and Aman in 5C, and Arsalan in 5E. Grade 6, we've got Blake in 6A, Jade in 6B, and Daniel in 6C. Well done, everyone.
Well done to all of our award winners. Here is Jacinta.
Hello, my name is Jacinta and I'm the sport captain. Good morning, everyone. Here's Miss Rodera to present the principal's report for this week.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Videra. I'm here for the Assistant Principal's report today, and I've just got a couple of reminders for you all. Firstly, just to remind you that Tuesday the 3rd of November is a public holiday for Melbourne Cup, so there will be no school, but we'll see you on the Monday and the Wednesday. Secondly, just to be mindful of the wrappers that you're bringing into school and taking out into the yard with you. We've got a group of students with Mrs. Howells who go around the schoolyard and pick up all the wrappers, but if we can just be mindful about what you're taking out, what you're bringing to school, and making sure that you put all your wrappers and all your rubbish in the bin, and if you are buying snacks from the canteen, to please eat them in the eating area, which is the area around the canteen. The final reminder is just around uniforms. We understand that shops have been closed for a long time and things haven't been available, but if you can all just try and stick to requirements for school uniform, making sure that you're in the right colors, that you're wearing the right kind of jackets and jumpers, and just be mindful of the hair accessories and that you've got. If they're in school colors, that's excellent, but there are a lot of accessories that are not part of our school uniform. So just see how you go, and we've got a couple of more weeks to go. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Miss Rodera. That concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lyndhurst values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's directions.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!